going to think about Lego and how we can use it to really develop those mathematical concepts. We're going to start today with something very basic, which is a little Lego number line that Aaron and I have built earlier. So basically what we did is we got Lego bricks and we built the number line, and then I just added the numbers. What's great about this number line is you can add whatever numbers you want on there depending on the ability of your child, or you can even leave it blank and use it as a blank number line, which we have explored in other videos. But I'm just going to go through a few different activities today of how you can use this number line and how you can develop a range of different mathematical concepts with just a really simple resource that children love, because we do love Lego in our house, don't we? So we're going to start with a very, very simple game, and it's a little race. So if you've got some little Lego figures like we have here, this is a perfect little game. It's good for counting, it's good for all that mathematical vocabulary, before, after, more, less, all of that. And I'll just be talking through that as we go through the little activity. So what you will need for this is just your little Lego number line that you'll have pre-built, and some little figures and a little dice. So we're going to have a race, Aaron, okay? So you choose your person. Who do you want to be? You're going to be Luke Skywalker? Yeah. Okay, so Aaron's going to be Luke Skywalker. He's going to stand here at the starting line. Oh, his lightsaber's fallen off. Let me put it back on. And I'll be the policeman, okay? And I'm going to stand behind you. Do you want to go first? Okay, and just the aim of this is to have a little race with your child to see who's going to get to the end first. Now we've only got up to number 16, so that's where we're aiming to go. So we're going to use a dice for this. We're going to throw the dice and we're going to move along, and it will really promote those counting skills and actually looking at that mathematical language as well. So do you want to throw the dice nice and gently, please, so it doesn't fly off the table? Brilliant, 5. Right, so he can go on to the number line. Can he get off the starting line?
So this is
Righty, ready? Do you want to look at the numbers so you can see what you're doing? Okay, right.
So you have to move.
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. So you're on number 5. Okay. What number do I need to get to be in front of you?
Number 6.
Do you think I could get a 6?
I don't know.
Oh, well, we'll see. Let's see if I'm lucky today. Oh. So am I going to be in front of you or behind you?
I put your...
You're going to tell me where to go, okay?
1, 2.
Okay, so am I in front of you or behind you?
Behind.
Am I before or after?
After.
So again, just concentrating on that mathematical language as you're going along. Right, Aaron, next. Oh, okay.
1, 2, 3. What number?
Okay, what number are you on
Yeah.
now? Oh, wow. Are you on a bigger number or a smaller number than I am?
Number.
Are you maybe going to be the winner, do you think? Okay, let's see. 4. Right, let's see. I'm on 2 and I'm going to move 4. Am I going to be behind you or in front of you?
Behind.
Why?
Because you need to you have to be on 4 to get it. You have to be on 5 to get.
Bigger, do I? Oh, let's see. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm on number 6 now. I'm very close to you. Okay, your turn. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. What number am I? Number 15.
So as you can see, he's actually using this number line and he's actually recognising and reading the numbers as well. And it's a good idea to just reinforce that idea of how number lines used and actually that travelling and that counting along. Okay, so my turn. 3. Oh, I don't think I'm going to catch up with you. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Number?
9.
Right, your turn.
3.
Oh.
1.
Oh, you're at the end. You get to be the winner. So again, it's a really lovely little game that's very easy and it's quite exciting because they get to race you and see who gets to the finish line first. Okay, now Aaron, we're going to use our number line in a different way now, okay? This time we are going to use it for some adding. The next activity we're going to look at is some very simple addition, and then we're going to work orally to begin with, although it is worth mentioning as well, this is quite a small little Lego number line, and we're using it because Aaron has progressed onto the proper Lego now. But if you did want to do this with maybe a younger child or somebody that's maybe you want to work on those fine motor skills or those gross motor skills, you might want to use bigger pieces of Duplo or bigger Mega Blocks, and just make it to whatever suits your child. Okay, so this one we're going to do some adding, okay? Now you're going to use your number line. Now initially I'm going to let Aaron see the numbers, and then we're going to actually work with a little blind man's buff game as well. Okay, so there's your number line, okay? And I want you to choose your character. Who are you going to choose? Luke Skywalker again? Okay, right. I'm going to ask you to do the calculation 2 plus 2. What are you going to do? Tell me what you're going to do.
Put this guy standing on the 4 block.
No, that's not how you use the number line. Tell me how you use the number line. What you have to start with.
Number 1.
Careful, your calculation is going to be 2 add 2. So what number are you going to start on?
2.
2. So really emphasise how to use a number line with your child, because as you can see, Aaron already knew the answer to that, so he was already going to just jump on to number 4. But what we really want to do is get the idea of actually using that number line to help with the addition. Although he can do this calculation in his head, we want to practice the skill of using a number line because he's ready to move on to the number line with bigger numbers. And this opportunity to do something, you know that your child is ready to move on with bigger numbers. So you're on 2. How many jumps do you have to do if you're adding 2? Yeah, so jump 2.
2.
Good. So what number are you on now?
4.
So 2 plus 2 equals?
4.
Okay, right. Takes Luke Skywalker off again. Okay, so this time I want you to do 6 plus 3. So where are you going to go to first? 6, and then what are you going to do? Do 3 jumps, ready? 1,
2, 3, 9.
Okay, so tell me what it is. 6 plus
3 equals 9.
I really encourage your child to use that mathematical language and actually speak about the calculations that they are completing. Okay, one last one, okay? This time I want you to do 13 add 3. 13. So where are you going to?
Add 3. 1, 2, 3.
And where are you going to land?
And 16.
Okay, great. So as you can see, it's a nice little fun way of using the Lego and actually moving that character along, which sometimes children find difficult to do those jumps on paper, but this is a nice way of actually practically allowing them to do it. Now this time Aaron's going to get a bit more difficult. This time I'm going to turn the numbers away from you. Okay.
So I know that's 1.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so you know the numbers there. Okay, so as you can see, we did already explore the fact that he knew 2 plus 2. So this is a really good way of developing the mental maths as well. So, and allowing them to visualise that number line in their heads. Okay, so you can't see the numbers. So this time I'm going to ask you to do the same thing as you did before, but now you've no numbers to help you. And I want you to do the calculation 1 plus 3.
So I have to turn it in.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, what number are you on now?
4.
Check. Yes, very good. So again, it's allowing them to visualize that number line and to work with that blank number line as well. And it's just taking it a step further for your child to challenge them that wee bit more. Okay, right, Aaron, this time I want you to do 6 plus 5, a wee bit more difficult.
6.
Can you find 6?
6.
Right, plus 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Right, what number? No. What number are you on?
11.
Okay, how could you check? Could you count? This is where you started. Let's check. This is 6. What's that?
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
And again, that that idea of double checking is a really important skill, and this is a perfect opportunity for allowing it. So are we ready to see if you were correct? So you've counted it, you told me the answer, you double checked. Are you ready? Dun dun dun. Ta-da! You're right, it's number 11. Do you want to do one more?
Yeah.
They're fun one, aren't they? Because you can't see them. Okay, right, are you ready? Let's see, let's do a more difficult one. 10 plus 4.
10.
How do you know that's 10?
Well, that's 9, that's 8, that's 7, that's 6, that's 5, that's 4. 1.
Good, double checking. Okay, 10 add 4.
4, so I have to go. And I land 1, 2,
Right, tell me, what do you think you're on?
14.
Okay, right, you started here. So that was 10. What's that?
11, 12, 13, 14.
So you've double checked. You've told me the answer. Are you ready to reveal it?
What does it mean?
Reveal means show you. Well, are you correct? Dun dun dun. Very well done. And again, you can do the same with subtraction. I'll just do 2 of the subtractions, one with the number line seen and one without it, just so that you can get the idea. Now, what happens when we take away, do you think, to our number line? What do you think? What way are we going to go?
This way.
Yeah, we have to go backwards, don't we? And I would encourage your child to go backwards on the number line, just to reinforce that idea that you're actually taking away, that the number is getting smaller, that it's getting less. Okay, so are you ready to do 1?
Yeah.
You can see the numbers, and 1 without seeing the numbers, okay? Are you ready? Are you still choosing Luke?
Yeah.
Okay, right. I want you to do 10, take away 3. So where are you going to start?
10.
Okay, and you're going to take away 3.
3.
And what number did you land on?
7.
Good boy, excellent, okay? So as you can see, that idea of actually really physically moving and counting back. All right, and I would as well encourage you to, at this stage, really again use all that mathematical language and really encourage them to actually physically move those objects, because it really helps with that one-to-one correspondence as well. Okay, right, so now you can't see it this time, okay? So look there. This time I want you to do 16, take away 4.
16. This is 16.
Right, you went straight to the end. Why did you go straight to the end?
Because the end is 16.
Yeah, you knew that, didn't you? Take away 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. And that is 12.
You think it's 12, right? Let's double check. 16.
16, 15, 14, 13, 12.
And reinforce that idea of counting back as well, and it's a good skill to be practicing. Are we ready to see the revealing? Ta-da! Good boy, excellent.
This is how I knew that's 11. Remember I was doing adding?
Yes.
And and one of my answers was 11.
Did you remember that?
Yeah.
Oh.
And that meant that was 12.
That's a good idea. That's a good thing to remember, isn't it? So it's great to see all those skills starting to come together. And again, you can use it for a variety of addition, subtraction, and again, you can use it for whatever level your child is at. If your child is only at the level of counting, use it for counting. If they're only at the level of adding 1 more, 1 less, use it for that. If they're ready to start moving in jumps of 10 or whatever, you can use it as a blank number line as well, just to really encourage that. What is also great as well is you can now relate that and actually get your child to complete more formal written calculations and develop that independence a wee bit. So Aaron, this is what we're going to do. We're going to use our number line again, okay? And I'm going to give you some calculations written down on paper on the whiteboard, and then you're going to write the answers for me, okay? So let's put our number line there so you can see it. There's your whiteboard. Okay, so the first calculation I'm going to give you is 6 plus 4, and I want you to use your number line to do it first of all, and then write your answer. Okay, so number line first. Use your little person.
10.
Write your answer down. So
I knew that.
this is great for actually recording mathematics and actually really getting them to think about putting what they're doing in their heads onto paper. Okay, you ready for another one? This one's going to be 3 plus 3. Can you remember what we call that when there's two of the same number? What do we call it?
Double.
Yeah, good boy. Right, so can you do it on your number line?
So one,
Mm-hmm.
me, and me.
Oh. No, you didn't count 3. Could you double check that just in case?
I counted in my head.
Did you? Good boy. And it's good to double check sometimes as well, isn't it? And again, reinforcing that idea of double checking all the time, because it is a skill that is really, really important. Right, here we go. What did you get for your answer?
6.
Okay, now I'm going to make it a wee bit more difficult. Now Mummy's going to do a calculation and you're going to write down what Mummy has done. So again, taking that a little bit further, challenging your child depending on their ability. So this time you're going to watch me doing something and then you're going to write down what I did. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so are you watching? So I'm going to go on to 5 and I'm going to jump back 2. So 5, 4, 3. What did I do?
Take away 2.
What number did I start with?
5.
Do you want me to do it again? Look. 5, 1, 2. Could you write that down, do you think?
Yeah. 5. Take away 2.
And what's my answer?
Equals 3.
And again, now you're getting your child to actually record that formally using the symbols, using the numbers, and actually really starting to put that maths into written form. Okay, ready for another one? This time I'm going to go to 7 and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I doing now?
So, can I do it?
Yeah, do it there below, it's fine.
Can I do it 11 and 7 or 7 and 11?
Well, what do you think you have to do? Let me show you what I did again. And this is great for really actually addressing misconceptions as well. So I'm starting on 7.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So, okay, 7 plus
Do you want me to do it again?
4.
Or you can remember?
4
Good.
equals 11.
Good boy. Because it wasn't 7 plus 11. Sure it wasn't. No, because then it would be a bigger number, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, right. This time I'm going to go backwards. Is my number going to get bigger or smaller?
Smaller.
Why?
Because because you're standing on the last one and you can't go any further and the only way you can go is backwards.
Okay, ready for this last one? Okay, so I'm going to start on 16 and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you want me to do it again?
No. 16. Take away 5 equals 10.
Okay, right. So I want you to check that now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Can you check it on your number line?
So
Now count back. 5 you said?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Uh-oh. Do you want me to do mine again to see if you're correct? Okay, let's put his lightsaber over there. Right, you ready? You're watching what I did? 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh yeah, 6.
Yeah, just rub it out with your finger, that's fine. Okay, so it's a really, really good opportunity to actually allow your child to correct those mistakes and see that it's okay to make a mistake, because sometimes I think children get very caught up in the idea that everything has to be perfect first time. And as you know, with maths, it really doesn't. It is all about practice and getting things wrong and having to go again and actually using the strategies and the skills to double check. So as you can see, a really, really great resource. There's there are lots of other ways you could use this, but I'm just showing you a few, and it might come up again in another few videos, but we've had fun using it today, haven't we, Erin? You're going to do a last one, so Aaron's going to do some more, and we will say thank you very much, and we're going to continue on. Yes? Okay.